Everyone in the village knew him as the man who got angry at everything. But one incident changed his life forever. A man lived in a small, peaceful village. His name was Raghav. But Raghav's heart was never peaceful. If someone spoke loudly, he reacted. If someone made a mistake, he reacted. If something didn't go his way, he reacted. People said, Raghav gets angry even at the wind. One day, Raghav's anger created a big problem. He shouted at his neighbor for a small issue, and the entire village saw it. He felt embarrassed and ashamed. Tired of his reactions, Raghav went to meet the village monk, a wise old man who lived near the river. Raghav said, Guruji, everything makes me angry. People disturb me. Situations irritate me. What should I do? The monk smiled, picked up a mud pot filled with water, and suddenly shook it hard. Water spilled everywhere. Raghav jumped back. What are you doing, Guruji? The monk looked into his eyes and said softly, My son, the sheikh did not create the water. It was already inside the pot. The sheikh only brought it out. Raghav stood silent. The monk continued, Life will shake you. People will test you. Situations will try to upset you. But your reaction shows what is already inside you. Then he placed the mud pot in Raghav's hands. If you fill your mind with anger, anger will come out. If you fill your mind with peace, peace will come out. Choose what you want inside you. Those words hit Raghav like lightning. From that day, Raghav stopped reacting. He started pausing, thinking, and responding calmly. Days turned into weeks. The whole village noticed his change. People respected him. Children looked up to him. Even problems seemed smaller to him. Raghav learned a powerful truth. You cannot control the world, but you can always control your reaction. And that simple shift changed his entire life. Keep in your mind, strong people don't react instantly. They stay calm, understand, and respond wisely. Your reaction decides your peace, your relationships, and your future. So choose strength, choose calmness, choose to never react again.